Dear Attorney General, alleged $5 million tuition fee demand for immediate investigation of Engr Farouk Ahmed, MD CEO of NMDPRA. We write to bring to your attention grave allegation of corruption, abuse of power, and regulatory compromise against Engr Farouk Ahmed, the Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority, NMDPRA. These allegations are substantiated by overwhelming evidence and necessitate on an immediate investigation. The allegations against Engr Ahmed include the diversion of over $5 million in public funds to bankroll the luxurious foreign education of his children, abuse of office, and conflict of interest. His son, Faisal, was allegedly recruited into Owando PLC, a company directly under the regulatory jurisdiction of the NMDPRA, raising concerns about the undue influence and nepotism. Furthermore, Engr Ahmed's leadership has been marked by regulatory compromise, particularly in the issuance of permits for the importation of diesel with high sulfur content, which is harmful to the environment and public health. The Nigerian public is also curious about Engr Ahmed's source of income that enables him to afford the alleged huge sums of money as tuition fee for his children. Questions about his financial dealings, and it is imperative that these issues are thoroughly investigated. In light of this allegation, we demand that you take the following actions. 1. Initiate a thorough investigation into the allegations against Engr Farouk Ahmed, specifically focusing on the source of funds used to pay the alleged $5 million tuition fee for his children, any additional source of income or employment that may have contributed to his financial capacity, the payment method and transaction used to settle the tuition fee, any potential conflict of interest or undue influence in his social capacity. Set up a special investigative panel comprising the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, ICPC, and the Code of Conduct Bureau to examine all financial records linked to Engr Ahmed and his family. Number 3, investigate all permits granted under his leadership, particularly for fuel imports, and review them for irregularities. 4, take appropriate actions based on the finding of the investigation. We believe that these actions are necessary to restore public trust in the NMDPRA and ensure accountability in the management of public resources. We look forward to your prompt attention to this matter. I am Comrade Ogusha Emmanuel. Thank you.